put that into it.
See, that's not in any of them. Well, it is. It's in the beginning of the second one. The beginning of the second one, you see Rafiki hold up Nala and Simba's
Apparently
daughter.
that's in the first one.
Can't remember what they called her. What are you bibbing for? What the fuck are you doing? There's a queue! What's so funny? What's so funny? What's so funny, dickhead? No, go on, fuck off. No, go on, fuck off. Go on, fuck off. No, fuck off. Fucking moron. What's their license plate?
I don't know, that's all it is.
Fucking moron. Fucking dickhead. Why have you got that on that?
Yeah.
Good.
That's on there.
They're fucking stupid dickheads. What is that all about?
I wish I knew, I've never had that happen to me.
And they find it fucking funny.
Do you see what I done? I went,
They find it fucking funny.
yeah.
Fucking dickheads. What if he was an old person? Then would it have been funny then?
Yeah.
Or just get a shit out of an old person? Where's the police when you need them?
They aren't ever.
Where are the police when you need them? Fucking pisses me off, mate.
This is at a standstill, isn't it?
Yeah, but he's telling you not to go.
I ain't going.
Fucking cunt. I'm so glad the kids are in the car.
Not in the car.
That's what I meant, not in the car.
Oh.
I'm so glad they weren't in the car. Because that's fucking dangerous, what they just done. And they find it fucking funny. It's safe, right?
Yeah, it should have done.
Please take a note of their licenses. No, you go. Go on. You wanted to push in front, you go. You wanted to push in front, you go. Fucking tossers.
Oh, should I try it?
I don't know, the bike's in the way. LV09. I can't get the last bit.
LV09